Welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. I'm your host Harshda. Get ready to start on exciting learning adventures with us. In today's episode, we are diving into an incredible journey of discovery. So, without further ado, let's get started. Namaste, young artists. Today, we have an enchanting scratch game that's all about magic of colors with Lord Ganesha. Prepare to witness the divine transformation as we change Ganesha's colors and experience his blessings in every hue. In this mystical game, you will be granted the power to change Lord Ganesha's colors at will. It's like having your own canvas with divine blessings. It's very easy, and with simple code we are going to witness magic, and it's like painting with divine magic. With just a click you will witness this magic. So let us try now. Click the green flag and let the magic begin. You're not changing just the colors. You are connecting with Lord Ganesha in a unique and colorful way. So let us see the code now. It is very easy. You can see it, or I'll just zoom it. So I have started this music of Ganpati Bappa Moria when the green flag is clicked. And we have added some backdrops of Ganesha. So we will go to backdrops. And I have added it in the other costumes. These are some images I've downloaded. Ganesha, royalty free, all these images. So these are all royalty free images. So you can add as many as you want. And we are when this stage is clicked, we are changing it to a random backdrop. And when we are clicking on the green flag, we are changing the color effect by 25. So that is the main thing. We are changing this color effect by 25 and we are getting this effect. Isn't it awesome? Looking so beautiful. So enjoy this Ganeshotsav, participate in this color magic, and may your artistic journey be as colorful and as magical as this divine experience. If you enjoyed this enchanting color game and you want more sketch tutorials and creative challenges, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more such magical coding adventures. Until next time, Ganpati Bappa Moria!